If you're a fitness coach and you're looking for ways to turn your fitness expertise into a profitable online business, you're in the right place. It's much easier than you might expect. We're not talking about building an app, working with brands, or setting up complex websites. Those options are great, but can be costly and time-consuming. Instead, I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way to start making money online. First up, let's talk about apps. Building an app can be very expensive and could take months to set up. But there are platforms like Nas.io that's like an all-in-one place for your clients. Inside the app, you can showcase to your clients everything that you have to offer. It's user-friendly for both you and your clients. You can set up subscription plans, host workout sessions, offer one-on-one coaching, and more. There are many apps out there, but Nas.io is free, and in my opinion, the easiest to use if you want to start an online business today. You can check it out through this link or click the link I've added in the description. Starting a fitness community is this easy. And not just that, aside from the app, you're also basically creating a dedicated page for free, and it's just drag and drop. So if you're looking for the easiest way to get started, this app is for you. With your app and page ready, it's time to add your products. You can easily upload meal plans. I'm pretty sure that this is something that you already have. Just upload a PDF. And Nas.io also accepts payments, so your clients can pay directly there. Some people earn 7 figures a year from this. You can also upload beginner guides, workout videos, ebooks, you name it. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them forever. Now, if you don't have any products yet, start by curating online content. Compile YouTube videos in one folder. Upload resources you already have, like links to a macro calculator, for instance, or other valuable fitness resources. This is the easiest way to get started. People will pay for organization. They will pay you to organize workouts in the right order with the correct sets and reps to achieve results. Different from selling a one-off workout content, a coaching program involves creating customized plans and guiding clients to their goals. This is where you can really leverage your expertise. While a workout program might sell for $50 to $100, a comprehensive coaching program can go for $1,500 to $2,500. That's a significant profit margin. In all transparency, having a coaching program isn't for everyone. But if you're a person that has an entrepreneurship spirit, this is for you. Another fantastic way to earn is through newsletters. You can share tips and meal plans, and it's very easy to do that. You can send it through all your members' emails in one click or send it as a WhatsApp message. Through your newsletter, you can also promote your workout sessions and products. Finally, let's talk about hosting challenges, a fantastic way to engage and energize your community. Challenges can range from weight loss competitions to 30-day fitness journeys. These events are not only fun, but can also be a source of income. Here's how you can make it work. Create an event within your community. It could be anything that resonates with your audience, like a summer shred challenge or a healthy habits month. Charge a fee to everyone joining. Upload daily tips and motivational content on your newsfeed. Alternatively, you can send it directly on your chat group. Encourage participants to share their progress photos. This not only fosters a sense of community, but also serves as inspiration for others. Organize regular online events or group workout sessions for all participants. These could be live-streamed workouts, Q&A sessions, or even group discussions on various fitness topics. So there you have it, 5 steps on how you can monetize your fitness expertise online. Moving your business online is not just about increasing your income. It's also about giving yourself and your clients the freedom to train and make progress on their own schedules. Instead of being limited to the clients who can come to your gym, your potential client base is now the entire world. Start setting up your fitness community now. It only takes less than 5 minutes. In the next video, we'll delve into how to find your first 10 paying clients and effectively promote your community. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this.